Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Safi Syrup, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Hamdard Laboratories, India. Safi Syrup. Uses. Safi Syrup is used to support skin health and body detox. It is commonly used as a herbal preparation to promote healthy skin and digestive wellness. Benefits. Safi Syrup helps clear acne, remove internal toxins, and support healthy digestion. These benefits help promote healthier-looking skin and improve digestive function. Side effects. Like all medicines and herbal preparations, Safi Syrup may cause side effects in some individuals. According to the document, it may cause mild stomach discomfort, nausea, or loose stools due to its laxative properties. If these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Shake the bottle well before use. Mix the recommended amount of the syrup into a glass of fresh or lukewarm water and drink it. How it works. Safi Syrup works primarily as a natural laxative and digestive aid rather than literally purifying the blood. It contains herbal ingredients such as senna, neem, and tulsi, which help improve digestion, ease bowel movements, and support clearer skin from the inside. Disclaimer. This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before using any medication or herbal preparation.